Ay, ay. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla if you're new here. If you're not new here and you're already subscribed, welcome back. So today I'm back with another wash day video. I'm super excited because I'm trying out these new products. I never really mentioned it, but recently I've been experiencing dry, itchy scalp. And for me, that's really new because I've never had this before. I don't know if it's because I've been washing my hair more frequently, so my scalp is more dry, or I don't know if it's due to product buildup, but I don't think it's the product buildup because I've been washing my hair more frequently. So I don't know. But basically my scalp has been giving me some problems. This is my hair right now, nothing too crazy, but I wish I could show you. I don't even know if it will. Can you see, like, I can see the flakes coming down. I don't know if like the camera's focusing, but that's also might just be gel because I have gel on my hair. But yeah, my scalp has been really itching. So I'm trying out this new line from a brand called Canviiy, and this line basically focuses on maintaining a healthy scalp. Canviiy has specifically formulated this Scalp Bliss collection in order to promote a healthy scalp from the inside out. So all of these ingredients help to soothe, nourish, and protect your scalp. Yeah, I'm excited to see how my scalp feels afterwards because itchy scalp is not fun. Like, it's like a weird itch that just doesn't go away. Like you're just, ooh, it feels good while you're itching it or scratching it, but then it's like, I don't know, 5 minutes later, it itches again. So I really can't wait to try out the products and see how my scalp feels afterwards. And you know I'm gonna tell the truth. I don't need to even say that, but yeah, so let's just get into the wash day. So I have 3 products that I'm going to be using. We have the Moisture and Repair Organic Based Shampoo, the Moisture and Repair Organic Based Conditioner, and then we also have this Soothing Scalp Purifying Foam Treatment. So I'm really excited to use this foam treatment because I've never used any product like this. And basically you're just going to apply it after shampooing. So it's kind of like another cleanser. So I'm excited. Yeah, it does say gentle rinse off foam cleanser, removes flakes, buildup, and soothes scalp irritation. So I'm super excited to use this. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
So yes, we are back with another wash day video, and I'm starting off the same way I would start any normal wash day. So I am saturating my hair with water, preparing it for the shampoo step. Now it's time to go in with the shampoo. So this is a Moisture and Repair Organic Based Shampoo. It gives you a gentle purifying cleanse. It's sulfate free, paraben free, and also zinc puritione free. So here it says that this is a premium antioxidant rich, non-stripping shampoo, gently cleanses, locks in moisture, and adds elasticity. Infused with pure and organic extracts of aloe vera, turmeric, biotin, shea butter, and vitamin E. So let me give my review on this shampoo. So basically for me, we'll start with the smell, because if you know me, you know that the scent is very important. So for me, this scent was very light and gentle. I don't know if scent is normally described as gentle, but for me it just gave me like gentle vibes. It reminded me of, I don't know, warm bread. So it was nice. I didn't mind it. It wasn't strong. It wasn't my favorite scent, but I really didn't mind the smell. This shampoo, so I washed my hair with it twice. The first time I felt like it didn't lather up as much as the second time. I don't know if that's because my hair was cleaner the second time, so I don't know, because I'm pretty sure I used the same amount of shampoo each time. But that's just one thing that I wanted to point out. So I don't know if you heard it in my voice when I read in the description, non-stripping shampoo. I kind of don't agree with that. So I felt like my hair was definitely stripped afterwards. You know that feeling that you get after you use like a clarifying shampoo, that like your hair and your hands just feel like it has a layer on it? Like, I can't really describe it, but I feel like if you used a stripping shampoo, then you would know what I'm talking about. So my hair did not feel moisturized at all after using this shampoo. And for me, when I know I'm using a purifying or clarifying shampoo, sometimes that doesn't really matter to me because I know I'll go in with the conditioner. But for me, knowing that there are purifying and clarifying shampoos out there that still leave your hair moisturized or not feeling stripped would lead me to not really reach for this shampoo first if I know that that's like what I'm going for, basically. And then another thing that I wanted to point out is that this shampoo is zinc puritione free. And just doing my quick Googles, because I wasn't sure what that actually meant, I found out that zinc puritione is normally used to treat dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. So I think it's normally in those shampoo products, but it's actually proven or scientifically proven that this can be toxic for reproductive health. So it's pretty cool that this brand was able to find an alternative that is healthier for its users. So I really do appreciate that. Yeah, that's basically my thoughts on the shampoo. And now we're going to continue with this process. This is the second round of shampooing, but I'm not going to leave this entire portion in. I just wanted to keep a few clips in to show you guys what I meant when I said that this lathered a lot. Now we're on to my favorite or most exciting part, for me at least. So I'm going to be going in with this soothing scalp purifying foam treatment. So this is a gentle rinse off foam cleanser. It removes flakes, buildup, and soothes scalp irritation. It's infused with organic extracts of aloe vera, manuka honey, premium lactic acid complex. Yes. So I was really excited to use this because I have never used anything like this. And I mean, I think that in like the dandruff, I don't want to say dandruff community, but like in those spaces, I feel like they actually do have products that are like foam application that you apply to your head or your scalp. But for me personally, I never used anything like that. So this was new for me. If you saw in the clip, I was smiling. It's because in the directions it says to thoroughly rinse shampoo from hair and scalp, press foam pump onto hand 2 to 3 times, and gently massage the foam onto scalp. Basically, you leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. But I was laughing because I don't know why they thought 2 to 3 pumps would be enough. I don't know. Is 2 to 3 pumps normally enough for your head? For me, I definitely use like 10 pumps or more, but I feel like it still got the job done. This product, it smells a little bit like butterscotch, so I kind of like that, like a very light butterscotch. I really did like it, and I honestly did feel like it actually did cleanse my scalp. So somehow after using the shampoo, I felt like my hair was stripped. But then after using this foam treatment, I felt like the ends of my hair were moisturized, like after I rinsed it out, and only my scalp was stripped. So I actually really like this product. I'm definitely going to use it again and see like how how it makes my hair feel next time. Also was wondering, I'm not really sure because as you know I shampooed twice. I was wondering if it would have been possible for me to only shampoo once and then use this as the second cleanser. I definitely think that I could have tried that. But in the end I really did like this product. So like I said, I'm going to try and use it again. And then I also wanted to add that this is me recording this voice memo 6 days after using the product. And I would like to report that my scalp did not start to itch until like day 4 or 5. And normally, so for me, normally I don't have itchy scalp at all. I don't know what's happening, but normally my scalp would have been itching by now. So I think that it actually does work. Time for the conditioner. So this is a moisture and repair organic base conditioner, 3-in-1 vitamin rich restorative complex. So it softens, detangles, and strengthens your hair. Silky moisture intensive premium conditioner softens, detangles, and strengthens hair, infused with pure and organic extracts of aloe vera, turmeric, biotin, manuka honey, vitamin E, and sunflower seed oil. So I actually did like the conditioner a lot. But one thing that confused me was that my hair still felt sudsy. I could not figure out like, oh my gosh, did I leave in some of that like foam treatment or did I not rinse out the shampoo enough? Why is this happening? It even it even took me to the point of like, so if you know, I do my hair in 2 sides, or I split it down the middle. So I even decided like, okay, let me rinse out one side of my hair and see if like maybe I just left in some shampoo, well, or the foam treatment, because this does not make any sense to me. Why is this sudsing up? I still got the same result. So I ended up reading the bottle, the directions. It says apply conditioner to wet hair, lather well, and gently massage onto hair. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse clean. So I've never used a lathering conditioner. I'm not really sure what benefits that has for your hair. Or also I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's like easier to detangle when it lathers. I did feel like my hair was very easy to detangle for sure. And maybe that's why. I don't know. I just personally have never used a lathering conditioner, so that was very new to me. But it was an experience for sure. So let's get into my like actual review. So I really enjoyed using the conditioner. The smell was exactly like the foam treatment. So it smelled very light butterscotch. So the only thing that smelled different out of these 3 was the shampoo. The smell I did enjoy, like I said, for the foam treatment. I felt like the conditioner actually put moisture back into my hair. As you know, I said after using the shampoo, I felt like my hair was stripped. But after using the conditioner, it felt much softer. So I really did like that. I left the conditioner on for, I want to say, okay, I can't remember exactly, but maybe like 10 minutes. And my hair felt very soft after. So it definitely softened, detangled, and hopefully strengthened my hair. But I did like the conditioner. I ended up using a lot during this wash day. But I think that's because of the whole mishap of me not understanding that it actually is supposed to lather. So I'm pretty sure like I'm halfway through the bottle. But yeah, I did like the conditioner overall. So I would definitely recommend trying out the conditioner for sure. I just finished rinsing out the conditioner and my strands and my scalp feel amazing. My strands feel super soft and then my scalp feels very clean. So I know the products did what they were supposed to do. If you're suffering from dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, or even just dry itchy scalp like me, I would highly recommend giving the Canviiy brand a try. For me, I definitely know I'm going to implement this foam treatment into my regular wash day routine because I really loved how it made my scalp feel. So yes, we made it to the end of this video. If you liked what you were watching, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!